So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna discuss on Firestorm versus Human Torch. So let's begin. Firstly, let us discuss on Firestorm. Firestorm, also known as Ronald Raymond, he is fused with his teacher Martin Stein in the Firestorm Matrix, and he is affiliated to various well-known teams like Firestorm Matrix, Justice League, Justice Society, and also Black Lantern Corps and White Lantern Corps. And Ronnie Raymond, he was originally killed during Identity Crisis, but he was restored to life by the White Lantern in Brightest Day storyline. And basically, Ronnie Raymond and Nobel Prize winning physicist Martin Stein, they were caught in a nuclear accident that allowed them to fuse into the nuclear man, Firestorm. And due to Stein's being unconscious during the accident, Raymond was prominently in command of the Firestorm form, with Stein a voice of reason inside his mind. Also in Blackest Night and in Brightest Day storylines, we saw the most deadliest alternate versions of Firestorm, which is the Black Lantern Firestorm, also known as the Deathstorm. And during the Brightest Day storyline, basically Deathstorm, without his Black Lantern ring, he became Deathstorm. So after now discussing his origin, let us discuss his powers and abilities in detail. Powers of Firestorm are Firestorm Matrix. In Firestorm Matrix, he has density control, eidetic memory, energy absorption, energy projection, enhanced vision, flight, molecular reconstruction, phasing, psychic link, regeneration, self-sustenance, superhuman durability, superhuman strength, transformation. Now let's talk about Firestorm's weaknesses. First is intense wind. Next is ionized radiation. Third, quantum splicer disabling. And number 4 is intense pain. And if you have watched Arrowverse TV shows, then you will probably know his weaknesses. And Eobard Thawne exposed his intense wind vulnerability. Now let's discuss on Human Torch, aka Jonathan Storm. And Human Torch is affiliated to teams like Fantastic Four and Avengers Unity Division, and his main team is basically Fantastic Four, and his origin is human mutated by exposure to cosmic rays, and he was created by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby, and his first appearance was in Fantastic Four issue number 1. Now let's discuss Human Torch's powers and abilities. Firstly, let us discuss his powers. He possesses pyrogenesis, plasma form, pyrokinesis, nova flame, flight, thermokinesis, superhuman durability, immunity to fire and heat. And his abilities is basically he is an expert mechanic. And strength level, the Human Torch possesses the normal human strength of a man of his age, height and build who engages in moderate regular exercise. And his weaknesses are energy depletion, physical condition, fire extinguishing, and Fantastic Four power synergism, also post-traumatic stress disorder. So that's it guys. I have discussed both the powers and abilities and also weaknesses of both Firestorm and Human Torch. So you all can now probably guess who will be the winner. The winner will be obviously Firestorm, because Firestorm has the ability to rearrange molecules or particle structures of any substances into most anything else, creating different atomic structures of equal mass. He can transmute the basic composition of an object, example transmuting lead into gold, and can also change its shape or form at will. And because of this, he would just absorb Human Torch's power away by turning the air around Human Torch into carbon dioxide or carbon, which would put the fire out. And also Firestorm is basically the fusion of two person, and also Professor Stein's knowledge and experience. So the obvious winner is Firestorm. So that's it, guys. It's an analysis on Firestorm versus Human Torch. Both are really cool characters, but the winner is obviously Firestorm. And lastly, thank you guys, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.